A very beautiful moment I want to share also is I think you know also from what Mayor Baste said during his visit here na our Papa loves Invictus, the
Mhm.
poem. And so he's been reciting it to me all the time since I was barely even 10. Kaya naisip ko, whenever I visit ngayon, mag-recite kami araw-araw hanggang syempre yung memory niya, it's not that good anymore. So dinadahan-dahan ko hanggang memorize niya ulit. And parang every time na he doesn't know the next thing to say, parang nalulungkot siya. But when he realizes that I guide him through the poem, ngumingiti siya. Tapos, it's a very beautiful moment na pati yung guard napapangiti sa ano, kasi hawak kamay tapos sabay kami nag-recite. So I think it's beautiful.
Thank you, friend.
Yun yung sabi niya daw sa lahat na sabihin nyo ano, 'di ba ganyan
Mm.
salita. Sabihin nyo Invictus, Invictus. Yun yung sabi
Thank you,
niya.
friend.